to another video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get straight into it. So today's video is a bit different. So I'm just going to give you an update of what I'm doing at the moment in my life. So I've currently taken a year off work and I am pursuing trading full time. Now, what I mean by this is I am planning to pass the FTMO challenge. I haven't done it yet. I have passed it before on like a 10k account like a year or year and a half, 2 years ago, but I wasn't exactly ready, I'd say then, and then I just blew it up. Pretty sure I didn't touch or have a positive day on that account, and it just went straight negative until I blew up 10%, and it just shows how far I've come in terms of my trading anyway. Now I thought about what I could make a video about this week, because I did say I'm going to get back into the groove of making YouTube videos, and when it came to it yesterday I had a brilliant idea, and that brilliant idea was based on the fact that I was overtrading yesterday, and I wanted to show you what that was. So if you can look, I got 140k account. Here's my start date, which was 2 days ago, and my end date next month in November. Now, as you can see, I started off positive on Monday, made that £27. Now that was me getting used to the markets, I guess, again after like a week off. I was a bit lazy last week. I didn't trade as I was waiting for my other FTMO challenge to reset, because it was ended it in positive, so I got a free repeat. And there's that, and then you can see I've just tanked. Now what I want to show you is me overtrading in particular, to be fair. So as you can see, here's Monday's trade, so on the 18th of October, £87.50. It shows £27 over here. Because of commission, it was a big lot size I used, so the commission was high. And then 19th of October. So if we look at the 19th of October, we've got all of those, right? So those are all trades. So from this red one to this green one here that I took yesterday. Now this was clear over trading. So what happened was I was in the market, and actually I can let me show you. So I came to the market. If you like to, by the way, you can pause this video and read my analysis. This is me just journaling what happened. So I came to the market was pushing upwards, and after this candle here, we can see there was a slowdown in volume, and either price was just going to continue upwards very slowly, or it was going to pull back, and I just waited for either price to come here, break this resistance, then take a buy, or for it to come back down and then potential sells below here, even though it wasn't clean. Now this candle closed bearish, and this pushed down, I'm pretty sure, pretty quickly, and I missed my entry. I accidentally pressed, so I'm not sure if you have magic keys or not. I highly recommend it. A brilliant risk management tool. I have magic keys. I accidentally pressed open calculator rather than open trade, and so I couldn't get in the trade. Price went down, I missed the trade basically, and that was the trade I wanted to get in. And now I've noticed this about myself, and this is what will happen when you start to trade live and you start to do challenges like the FTMO challenge, is once you've missed a trade, you feel like you've like lost the trade almost. You feel as if you missed out on something big, and so you go hunting for a trade, and that's what I did, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up a screenshot right now of the trades I took. So you can see this is from my MetaTrader 5 terminal, so you can see all the trades, so you can see the arrows pointing up and down for my entries and exits of me just chasing a trade. So what happened was I took a trade London Open. Now to be fair, this wasn't me chasing a trade. This was like a trade that I would have taken, but because price closed so quickly like this, and it barely closed with a wick, so it can almost count as a no wick, to be fair. Price pulled up a little bit, broke down, and then I FOMO'd in. I'm not going to lie to you, and I jumped in, and basically price just reversed on me. Now normally this isn't a trade I would take. I think me trying to chase a trade caused me to take this trade and FOMO in, and basically it went against me, and I think I only lost, so this was about 1, 2, yeah, so it was just these ones here, so these losses here, so I only lost about 2, 3, maybe about $400 to $500, where my risk is 1% is $1,400. So you can see that my risk management was pretty good there. So I lost a minimal amount of money, so I was pretty fine with it. I was happy with it. And then this candle pushed up, and I took buys around here, and then etc. You can see from the screenshot. I'll put it up on the screen again. And yeah, I just just overtraded and revenge traded, if you like. And so that's basically what happened. And what I wanted to tell you or inform you about in this video is, I'm now down on my FTMO account negative 3,840, right? So now that's almost 3%. Okay, and I did that to myself by taking trades I wouldn't normally take. Oh, so this is just me journaling, right? I took trades I wouldn't normally take, right? I'm talking about the ones here, me trying to sell it again and doing, I don't know what I was doing, right? And I put myself at a disadvantage. So not only do I have to make 10% profit for the month to pass, I now have to make back that 3% that I lost. So I have my target from now to the end is 13%. So moral of the story, don't overtrade. Stop yourself from overtrading. Take a trade, take a loss, take another trade, take a loss or a win, and stop trading for the day. That is it. Manage your risk. Don't let your risk hit 1%. I can show you here. I defo did not do that. I remember I just took a trade and was like, yeah, I don't care. If it hits stop loss, it hits stop loss. If it hits take profit, it hits take profit. And look what it did. It hit my stop loss, and I took a 1% loss, and I haven't taken a 1% loss in so long. Now that's where I guess you could say gambling comes into it, and that's where that gambling mindset did come into it when I was overtrading, and that's why overtrading can be so dangerous. Now, other than that, as you can see, right, if I had taken that loss here and stopped, waited for a good opportunity, this candle breaks the resistance, wait for this candle's high to be broken, it gets broken, entry here, stops just below. So what we're looking at here, so stops about 10 pips. Yeah, that's about fine. And not only would you make 10 pips, you would have had a nice run out, and you can see that this price action continued up pretty nicely as well. So what I'm trying to say is, yesterday would have been a winning day for me if I had been patient. Now what I did is I overtraded. I was upset, burning up inside a little bit, and then I just stopped and walked away from my computer, and I missed this opportunity here. And yeah, and to be fair, even if I did take this opportunity, it wouldn't have been a good thing for me to do, because it's just more overtrading, right? So that's my little update about my FTMO challenge. You can see it. I'll keep updating you on it as and when, if I have lessons like I have for you today. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you in next week's video.